this vlog today I will show you step by step how I prepare the perfect snack that you can take to work, on trips, after workouts, or even for breakfast. Stay with me till the end of this video. I mean, of this vlog. Hey guys, I'm Sibel from Food and Tips. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. So let's get started. We'll start by greasing the cake pan with butter and flour. It doesn't matter which type of flour, and turning on the oven. Basic rules before making a cake or a snack that go into the oven. Cake pan done. Let's make our perfect snack. I don't add sugar to this snack recipe as long as the banana are very ripe. I do not recommend making this recipe with bananas that are not very ripe. Let's peel the bananas and mash them. Sometimes we have overripe bananas and we don't know exactly what to do with them, so you can perfectly put them in this recipe. I will not make a large quantity, however, feel free to double the amount of the ingredients. Guys, sweet potatoes cannot be missed. It has a large amount of carbohydrates and it's still rich in fiber, B vitamins, vitamins A, vitamin C, and minerals such as potassium, and it helps in prevention of disease such as diabetes. At this point, you already know what I'm going to say. Homemade food is always a good option. It's very important when we know exactly what we are eating. Food with no dyes is always the best option. And actually, this is a very good snack. It's a perfect snack. I'm so glad to share with you this recipe. This snack is full of nutrients and fiber, no dyes. This snack is perfect to give you the energy you need for your day. If you think that your like is not important, I will tell you something. Your like is very important. YouTube will understand that you like this video and this video is important. So that way he will share the video to other people that may need to watch this video. So leave your like. If you're not subscribed yet, subscribe and activate the bell to receive all my recipes and tips. Let's take it to the oven for 25 minutes. So, let it cool, make some slices. Don't forget to wrap it and take it with you. You can wrap it like this. It's very famous here at home and I'm sure you will love it. Love, love, love it. I hope you enjoyed this vlog today and this amazing recipe. And don't forget, leave in the comments what is your favorite snack. You know already what I'm going to ask you. Don't forget to leave your like, subscribe. It's very easy and it will help a lot my channel. Activate the bell to receive all my recipes and tips. See you next video. Ciao. Ui.